if you want up to 20 free stocks. Moomoo is going to give you up to 20 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account and you put $100 in that brokerage account. They're going to give you 8 free stocks. If you open that brokerage account and you decide to put $1,000 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 20 free stocks, publicly traded companies. Get down in the description box, click on that Moomoo link, open up that new Moomoo account today, go get that free stock, go get that free money. I'm getting ready to do something pretty spectacular when it comes to paper assets. I'm getting ready to go out on a limb, take a risk. But now, I'm not telling you to do this. This is me. This is a calculated risk that I'm getting ready to take that I believe will double my net worth. And I'm going to be buying 2 individual stocks. Now, if you've been following this channel for a while, you'll know I'm not a big individual stock guy. I'm more of an ETF guy. But in this situation, I think the opportunity is so great that I'm going to veer outside of my lane a little bit, get a little uncomfortable, and put some money in something that I believe is going to be huge dividends. One of the companies I'm talking about is Nvidia. In 2018, had you put $20,000 in Nvidia, today it would be worth about $450,000. Again, guys, I'm not telling you to go buy Nvidia. I'm just telling you the facts. Will it repeat that again? I think it will, but that's my risk I'm willing to take. I don't recommend anybody buying anything without going out doing their own due diligence. But based on my due diligence, that's the type of return I'm looking for over the next 6 to 8 years from Nvidia. Will I get it? Time will tell. But I'm willing to take the chance. The second one that I'm going to be buying is going to be Tesla. Got a long history with Tesla. Tesla has a long history of multiplying money for investors. And I think at $150 a share or less, that's my target buy price. So I'm all in on Tesla as well. Will that work out? I don't know. These are 2 investments I'm willing to make, and I don't know if they'll work out. History tells me they'll work out, but that's no guarantee. So I'm willing to take that chance because I know if this thing pans out, it's going to be really, really big in getting my net worth to double or triple itself over the next 10 years. And that's what I'm swinging for, right? On these 2, I'm swinging for the fence, even though that's not typically what you want to do. I'm doing it because that's just who I am. I've been doing this for 30 years. So I got an understanding of what happens. Doesn't mean I'm right. I could be dead wrong, but I'm willing to take that risk. Here's the question for you, though. What are you doing right now? What are you doing in 2024 to get you to your pot of gold at the end of the rainbow? Again, I'm not telling you to go do anything. I'm not recommending you buy anything that you're not comfortable with. But what I am recommending is that you have a plan. You got to have a plan to increase your net worth over these next 10 years, guys. Doing what you're doing today is going to yield the same results as you got last year unless you change the activities. Personally, I'm going to change the activities. Again, I don't know if it's going to work, but I know if I don't do something, I'm going to be in the same position at the end of 24 that I was in at the end of 23. And that's not going to happen. I'm going to change something and I'm going to execute. The question is, what are you going to execute? If you're brand new at this thing and you're thinking, I don't even know what paper assets are, I don't know where to begin. Here's something I recommend. I recommend you go over to the website and I recommend you invest in some of these digital products. It's not an investment in me, it's an investment in you. If you're looking to learn and get yourself more comfortable, that's where you start. And then once you get some information, you got to take that information and you got to execute. But that's where I would recommend you start if you're brand new. Go to my website, go to those digital products, and start going through them and find some that make sense for you. If it's investing in the stock market, I got a wonderful digital product about index funds, which is near and dear to me because you guys know 80% of my money I invest goes into ETFs and index funds. This digital product will talk to you about index fund investing. I also got another one in there called drip investment. That will walk you through how you take your dividends and you reinvest those dividends back into buying more shares of the ETF or individual stock and build wealth. But if you don't invest in yourself and learn and then execute on what you learned, how do you ever get yourself to a point where you get the wealth? You don't. So that's my recommendation. Go down to the description box, click on my website link, go check out those digital products, because if you're not willing to make a small investment in yourself, and the digital products are not that expensive, guys. They're very reasonable. They're meant to be reasonable, but you still got to make an investment in yourself if you want to benefit from executing. Back to me, though. I'm making that big move, and I'm excited about it. I've already gotten emails from a couple of y'all saying, hey, I watched the live stream this morning, and I already got my trade ready to go. Again, that's for people who are comfortable doing what they need to do. I'm not recommending to nobody do anything you're not comfortable doing. I'm telling you, don't do anything with anything until you're comfortable with it, until you understand the risks that are associated with it. I understand the risks and I'm willing to take on that level of risk because I'm chasing this reward. I'm willing to take on more risk because I'm chasing a certain reward. You may not be there yet. Send me an email. Let's get you going. Let's get you on the wealth transfer blueprint track. That's what I recommend. Ultimately, it's your decision. You do whatever you got to do. I'm okay with that. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. Stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next video. Peace. If you want up to 20 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 20 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account and you put $100 in that brokerage account. They're going to give you 8 free stocks. If you open that brokerage account and you decide to put $1,000 in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 20 free stocks, publicly traded companies. Get down in the description box. Click on that Moomoo link. Open up that new Moomoo account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. My website, www.richardfain.net. Get yourself over there and grab yourself some digital products. And then do me a big favor. Join the private mentorship club. We're already over 800 strong in there, and we're all wealth builders. So if you want to put yourself around some wealth builders, get yourself over to the private mentorship club through the website.